Hi, my name is Justin Witcher. I'm the chef and co-owner of Como Taperia here in Vancouver, BC. Spanish restaurant based on tapas restaurants throughout Madrid and Barcelona. Today I'm making a Basque cheesecake from the Basque country in Spain with the addition of BC Blueberries. This will be available on our menu until blueberry season's over. Blueberries are featured in this recipe in a compote, a sauce, and as well as being macerated in PX sherry. So a New York cheesecake's a lot more dense. The Basque cheesecake's been whipped a little bit more. It has more eggs in it, so it's a little bit more airy and fluffy. We're gonna pour that into the mold and top it with a blueberry compote. And then they cook it at like 400 degrees Celsius to get that nice caramelized top, that flavor on the top and the caramelized color around the outside. For our blueberry sauce today, we're gonna start with some blueberries, some preserved lemon that we've made a couple months ago and blitzed up. We're gonna throw that into a pot with some sugar. We're gonna cook that down for 15 to 20 minutes. And we're gonna blend that up so it's a nice sauce so that we can spread that either along the bottom of the plate or top the cheesecake with it. For our macerated blueberries, we're going to bring up PX sherry, which is Pedro Jimenez, which is a grape in part of Jerez, which is a sherry region of Spain. It's very, very sweet. It's a fortified wine. We're gonna warm some of that up, burn off a little bit of the alcohol, some orange zest, some star anise, and cinnamon. And we're gonna bring that up and we're just gonna pour that over the blueberries, raw blueberries. So we don't wanna cook them, we just wanna macerate them a little bit. That's what maceration means. And then that's gonna be one of the sauces to go over top of the cheesecake today. My favorite way to enjoy fresh blueberries at home is definitely with my breakfast, either raw or with granola or with like a nice flavored yogurt. The home chef can use blueberries in their home by preserving them, making jams, pickles, relishes. They keep beautifully well as long as you have enough acid or sugar present. I prefer blueberry recipes that have sweet options. They just lend themselves to desserts much more intricately, I suppose. The most rewarding thing about being a chef is being able to use fresh local ingredients from this beautiful province we live in.